An officer citing more than 2,000 Arizonans under the state's new hands-free law. The law went into effect this year, passing after Officer Clayton Townsend tragically lost his life, hit by a man police say was distracted by his cell phone. Team 12's Michael Dowdna spoke to Townsend's family and looks at the law's impact.
There's pre-January 8th and there's post-January 8th.
It was a day that changed Toni Townsend's life forever. In 2019, her son Clayton was conducting a normal traffic stop on the 101 when police say Jerry Stanstead Jr. crossed 2 lanes of traffic and hit the 26-year-old.
I was going back and forth with my wife on text and just calling.
Stanstead told police he was on his phone before the fatal crash, as Townsend's death spurring lawmakers to pass a hands-free law fining anyone in violation $75 to $250, hoping to cut down on distracted driving.
And since the law went into full effect in January, we've seen departments hand out citations to make sure you stay hands-free. Phoenix PD, they've handed out 444 citations. DPS, 1,637. Mesa PD, another 21. That makes more than 2,100 drivers cited in just 52 days.
There's not a doubt in my mind that whether it was a DPS officer or a police officer, that a life was saved.
But Toni says more work needs to be done. She thinks the fines are too low and that although everyone knows they shouldn't text and drive, they don't truly understand the potential life and death decisions made by a text behind the wheel.
The man that killed Clayton didn't drive home that night thinking, I'm going to kill an officer.
And Toni misses her son every day. She hopes the legislation passed because of his sacrifice saves lives and makes him proud of the progress they've made.
I'd tell him how much I miss him, and I'll see him again.
Now, the driver of that car that killed Townsend was indicted on a manslaughter charge. In December, he pled not guilty, and his trial is slated for May. We're in Phoenix. Michael Dowdna, 12 News.